Right. Abdul Rahman.
Also, what is the Islamic teaching about the treatment of the disabled people?
Treatment of disabled people. What is the Islamic teachings about that?
I think it's a evident question. Hazrat Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam took care of all who were disabled in any form, and he was always kind to them. So if you follow that uswa hasana, then you have to treat kindly the disabled people. But if you are referring to the Quran, where is it mentioned that you should treat disabled people with kindness? Offhand, I don't remember any verse. Can you remember?
I'll have to search and find out.
Offhand, it doesn't come to my mind because I never thought of this to search the verse in the Quran, but I'm quite sure. Next time, inshallah, I'll try to find out where the disabled people are mentioned in the Quran. They should take good care of them, right? Last question.